here, okay? So, now we go here. Then we go to mountainside caves. Then we go to Pirates Camp, Skull Rock. Then we will reach our destiny. Got it?
Yes.
Now let's go. Oh, hello everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome back. Me and Ahana was just playing Explorers. Welcome back to another travel episode. Today we are going to talk about hidden natural beauty. The Natural Bridge Caverns is the largest commercial caverns in U.S. state of Texas. The name is derived from the 60 feet limestone slab bridge that spans the amphitheater's look of the Caverns entrance. The span was left suspended when a sinkhole collapsed below it. The caverns are located next to the city of San Antonio, Texas, in the Texas Hill Country, next to the Natural Bridge Wildlife Ramp, a drive-through wildlife safari park. The cavern features several unique speleothems and other geological formations. The temperature inside the cave is 21 degrees Celsius all year round, and the humidity rate is constant 99%. The deepest part of the public tour is 180 feet below the surface. Although undeveloped, areas of the cavern reach depth of 230 feet. The caverns are still slowly developing due to the porosity of the limestone. Rainwater travels downwards through the layers of the rock, where it dissolves out calcite, a weak mineral that makes all the speleothems in the Natural Bridge Caverns. After exiting the limestones, the water enters the caverns, where it flows and drips constantly throughout, causing the formations to retain a waxy luster that can be seen in few caverns. The caverns was first discovered on March 27, 1960 by 4 students from St. Mary's University near San Antonio. The cavern formation. The cavern was formed by an underground river moving slowly through cracks and pores within the limestone. The rainwater seeping through cracks started to dissolve the limestone. In time, the original narrow cracks enlarged to make passages. Due to climate change and other natural forces, the water drained to lower level within the earth. As the water left the upper passage, it moved deeper and formed the second level. The water eventually moved to another level, even deeper within the earth. As the water left the lower level, stresses within the rocks led to many of the layers collapsing to form breakout domes. The final stage of the collapse led to the creation of the passages now people see. Bridge Caverns has 2 world-class kits for you to explore. The Hidden Passage Tour and the Discovery Tour. The Hidden Passage Tour. On the Hidden Passage Tour, light and darkness combine to enhance your exploration of huge underground chambers decorated with some of our most rare and delicate formations. The hidden passages are highly decorated with unusually long soda straw stalactites, waves of cave ribbon, and wealth and turnip shields. Another unique experience only offered in this tour occurs when all the lights are turned off and you experience total darkness. You haven't seen all of the natural bridge caverns if you haven't seen the hidden passage. Discovery Tour. It's the original and Natural Bridge Caverns' most popular tour. The Discovery Tour introduces you to an underground world of natural beauty and amazement. Travel through a half mile of largest and the most spectacular show cavern in Texas. You will walk 180 feet below the ground. You will see amazing stalagmites, stalactites, flowstones, chandeliers, and soda straws. You can take amazing pictures through this walkway because this is an experience you will never forget. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.